Hello, in this video, I'll give you a solution to the assignment of last week, the task that was given last week. We're given a list and it has some item 2, 4, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 1, 11. And we're asked to multiply the the items, the elements in the list using three methods, using the for loop, using list in comprehension, and using map function. So I will start with by the using the for loop. So let's get started. So we have our data as this, then want to use a for loop to get each of them. So we can use for I or for elements in data. Then what are we going to do? We multiply. We have that the we have sorry we have data data as elements data dash elements. So we have data elements multiply by 2. Now when we do this, we have an error because sorry, I have a capital letter, capital sub. But the first thing, let me create a new list. Let me call it data new. I'll give it as an empty list, which is an empty list. Then I'll do this for loop for elements in data. Sorry, capital D. My data is in capital D. So I'll have data, the elements multiply by 2 times 2. So what will be this? This will be the new data new dot append multiply by 2. I think data new, please, not data underscore new, data underscore new append. Then index is out of range. Index is out of range. Why is this index is out of range? Why is it so? Why is it so? Why is it so? Data, let me see this data. Oh, sorry. I got that now. Not with data element, but elements. Element times 2. Please, sorry for that. So I have my data new. It gives me this. I am having double, double, or to give me just, it just ought to give me this. So let's do that leave again. There's a new so empty. Do this for loop. Then you print your data new. So let's look at it. Yeah, we've done the multiplication using the for loop method. So as you can see, the first thing you have to do there, you have your variable, which is data, as a list. Then you create another list, another variable, which is an empty list. Then you iterate using the for loop for elements in data, which is the first variable that have elements. For each of those elements, they will multiply it by 2. When we multiply it by 2, you see the outcome. So the initial list, when we print side by side, print print data, print data, first list, first list, which is data. Mhm. Then I'll print the next list, which is second list or multiplied list. So multiplied list is what data underscore new. So I have this. So you see the first list where you have 2 is multiplied by 2. I'm using 2 as the vector. Multiply by 2, it gives me 4. So this is one method we can multiply elements in a list. So the other method we're asked to use list compression. That of the list compression, it is very, very easy. So we have our data as this. We have our data as this. Sorry. Have our data as this. Then I'll say data list comprehension. So what am I iterating over? I'm iterating over data. So for what? For elements in data, what do I want? I want to multiply by the element. Then I have my data. Let's see. Wow. Same. And it's very short. Very, very short. Very, very quick. So this is using list comprehension. we have the first we have the first solution where we use the for loop, and the second solution where we use list comprehension. Now we want to make use of the map function, using making use of the map function. Now remember, our data is this, so we want to make use of the map function to multiply everything there. So I say data underscore map is equal to list map. I have my function, which is what? A lambda x, lambda to x of, I return 2 multiply by x, 2 multiply by x. Then the iterable is what? Data. So it will multiply everything there for me. So I have my data underscore map to be what? To be the above list. So in this video, we've given the solution to our task last week to multiply the item, the elements in a list using either the for loop, using or the list comparison, or using a map function. In this video, we have shown you how you can do that using the 3 ways. But I tell you, the list comprehension is very quick and very easy to make use of. And the complexity, time complexity, using list comprehension is better than using the for loop. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. You are free to react to our content, and also do well by sharing these resources with your friends. Thank you. Do have a nice day. See you in the next video.